Hi y'all, welcome to Miss T Ideas. Welcome to my channel. If you're new here, welcome to my channel. If you've been here since the beginning rocking with me, welcome back. My name is Miss T Ideas. And today I wasn't telling nobody because this is my first time doing a prompt challenge, and with prompts and stuff. And let me put my glasses on. I gotta put my glasses on. And I'm working on the cover. I bind it in the back, and I put it, this is a pocket right here. I gotta get my directions, cause these challenges, you follow the directions, and y'all know I'm ADHD, right? Okay, so this is a challenge for me. It's from the Stay Creative Circle, sponsored by the Stay Creative Crafting Circle. And let me get it. It's the Days of Winter journal. And I wrote the prompts down on this little card. You know, I gotta do that. I gotta write the stuff down. And I just came out. I'm just coming out. Nobody know what I'm doing. Okay. I didn't notify my group or nothing, because just in case, this is my first time doing one of the challenges, and I love to see them do them. I love to see them do them. But you know, I've always been lagging back because I've never done it before, and I'm not as used to it as some of the other people has been doing it for years. I made a year in January that I've been crafting like this, and y'all know I recycle and this and that. I dibble and dabble in things and other crafting things that I love, but I love junk journaling too. Junk journaling is my thing, but I love to recycle and upcycle too. So, saying that, with that being said, I'm proud of my little seam right here. Yeah, it kind of gave me a hard time. Well, I gave myself a hard time. I was on the phone and I was sewing this, and I sewed one of them several times when I shouldn't have. But anyway, yeah, I was able to take it loose, and hey, on the road again. Back on the road. This is faux leather. This is some of the leather, the paper leather that I've made. Y'all remember I made that? I got a video if you haven't seen it. This is leather. Well, this is paper. This is a paper bag. And I made faux leather out of it. I like to show what I'm doing. This is a paper bag. This will turn into this. Almost like a Brumman, huh? Will turn into this if you know how. If you know, you know. This is this. Okay. And it's wonderful to be able to use stuff that you've made, you've prepared. That's what I like to do. I like to make stuff to go inside of my junk journals. And like I said, this is a pocket. This is some a little denim swatch that I had. And got my coffee dyed papers in here. Yeah. I put this in the inside. I'm really not feeling that, but hey, My junk journal. Make it happen. Make something work. And you see, it's January 26 Days of Winter. Sponsored by the Stay Creating Crafting Group, Circle Group. We have 15 prompts. I done prompt number 1, and I'm gonna show you that. And pocket and hidden prompt number 1 and 2. I'm gonna show it to you. Ready to see it? Here you go. All right. This is my winter tag. Let me add some more stuff to it. You know, this is my winter tag. I went in Hobby Lobby. It was hard to find some. You know, it was hard to find some winter stuff. And this is when it's supposed to be out, right? Okay. That's my tag. I got the lace on it. This is my hidden pocket. And yeah, excuse me if this is my first time. Okay, so all kind of stuff gonna happen before I finish with it. Trust me. I could put this in here if I want to, or I could hang it, or I could put it inside the journal. So I'm trying to think, and let me tell you something, God is good. I just got sent some beautiful stuff from Jacqueline. Hands of the Queen. Jacqueline Haley sent me some beautiful stuff. And I think I'm going to use it on this journal. I don't know if I want to put it all the way around like this. Put it all the way around. I don't know. But what I need to do is get out my head, because I'm deep in my head, y'all. I just want to share that with you, because these ladies that's in my group, the group that I'm in, these ladies make some beautiful things. This is my first time making a journal and following directions. I can make a journal, but I mean, you know, I have to stay on task. I'm ADHD, remember that. So I'm the kind of person that have to really focus on what I'm doing, or I know it by memory. You know, I'm a seamstress, and I sew by, I don't need a pattern or anything. I can just, what I do, I can do. I'm trying to figure out what I want to put in the front. I think I'm going to put that. I got the hot glue gun. I'm starting to be a big girl and use the hot glue. I went up to the store, and I was in Kroger's, and I bought those, y'all. Remember them expensive magazines I tell you about? I bought them magazines again. You know, it hurts me. It hurt my heart to pay for the magazines, but I did it again. They really be having, you know, like it caters, like they cater to the months. They have like 3 magazines in the pack, and it caters to the months, the weather, the season. That's the thing about it, good thing about it. Yeah, I'm in my head with this. I am. Because I just been looking at it and just I'm deep in my head. But I know, like with anything, I mean, you just gonna shake it off and start. But you know, I ain't at that point yet. But one thing about this, with the prompts, it tell you exactly what to do. And a lot of this stuff, a lot of things, I've already had some made. So let's see how it go. And what I like about it, for this being my first one, it's no time limit on it. This is the winter journal, the days of winter. So there it is. This is not a long video. I just came out to show. I just came. This was my coming out day, showing that I'm in this thing. I'm in here like swimwear. That's what they say. I'm in this thing. Now, I need to sink or swim, huh? I got 3 signatures in here. I had to trim the paper and everything. I'm gonna make some more pockets and do some more things. So, this is Miss T Ideas. This is my journal that I'm making, my winter journal, and I'm doing it by prompts. And I'll see you on the next video with the next prompt. Bye. Please like, share, and subscribe. Subscribe to my channel. It really helps the algorithm. I appreciate it. Bye.